My husband Peter and I are super big fans of Middle Eastern food, especially Lebanese food. So today we're going to be making Lebanese rice. So start off with 2 cups of basmati rice. You're going to want to rinse the rice until the water turns clear, drain and set aside. In a large saucepan, heat the oil and butter on medium heat. Once the butter melts, then add the vermicelli pasta and stir frequently until the pasta turns a golden brown. That'll take you around 2 minutes. Careful not to burn it. Then add the dried rice along with a teaspoon of kosher salt. Mix everything thoroughly together. In chicken broth and bring it to a boil, then reduce the heat to a low simmer and cover with a lid. Cook for 15 minutes, then remove it from the heat and keep the lid on for 5 more minutes so rice has more time to steam. Do not remove the lid. Uncover, then fluff with fork. Serve by itself or garnish with chopped parsley and toasted pine nuts.